Hello learners, welcome to this session. Here we are going to discuss about strings in Java. Yes, whenever you need to store more than one character under a single name, that is what you can use string. Strings are sequence of characters. Now think as you have just learned the primitive data types. There we had character. So if you want to store any character, the character data types are going to help you. But in the character data type, you can only store single letter or alphabet. Then what is going to happen if you want to store your name? That's not possible with this. And the possibility, one more is there, you can create an array of characters. And like this, as you can see on the screen, hello array. And in curly bracket like that you store the values, but that's a very tedious task. Okay, why to create big arrays just for storing one name or one word or a sentence? So now you have strings, and in strings simply you will define this data type, that is string, write a variable name new string, or even if you don't want to declare it as new or import the class, no problem, directly string hello string equal to, and you can provide your values. So we are going to check now the next. This is here ways to create the string. There are two ways: a simple way using the literal, that is string str is equal to learn Java, like this, or using a keyword also, string str new string learning is fun. So these are two methods of doing this. So let's try this. So we are here in IntelliJ going to define first the class, and that class maybe is string demo. See, we cannot take the name string, okay? It's a reserved word. So string demo I have taken, and I'm going to use PSVM to create my main method. After that, there are declarations. So for declaration, these are the three strings I have taken. See, string name equal to learn Java, string str1 as India, and string str2 as welcome. Now task is to display them. It's very easy. Just write, and for example name you want to display, control S and execute the program. You will see there's display over there. Fine, that's very good. Now there are some methods that you can use. For example, if you are looking for a comparison, you can do some comparison between two strings. How you can do that? Let me write here. So this is what you can do: system.out.println str1.compare to str2. Now it's going to compare the two string and give you the answer. So what answer are we expecting? Just check. So here we have minus 46. Now what is minus 46 here? Why minus? See, this is internally being done. In case of strings, there is one number associated, that is ASCII code. And according to this ASCII code, your compiler is going to compare the two string and will give you the answer. Okay, so we don't go in that detail. Only we are interested that two strings can be compared. Always what happen is, in practically we are interested to find whether these strings are equal or not. So this is only what we need. So this one is done. So now what we do is we are just going to get the new method. That method is to concatenate. If you wish to concatenate, add one string with another, this is also you can do like this here. So str1 dot concat win. I just want win to come with this concat, okay, string 1, and want to print the string 1. So now you'll see the change in string 1 like this here. So India win. Now win is what concatenated with string 1, that is India. Similarly, if you want to replace anything, that is also possible. You can do that. For example, str1 is equal to str1 dot replace. Now what do you want to replace? Give the old, for example, W is small, okay? I just want this W to be capital. So replace this small cap W with capital W, like that we want to do, okay? And then again we want to print it. So let me just copy paste and I will comment this. Control S. Let's check this. This time you're going to see only India. Okay, we did not concatenate it. Sorry. So like this, Control S and again execute. So here the W now is not small, but it has been changed to capital as because we expected it to have with the method. It goes through the method that is replace. So like this, you can apply methods and make changes to the string that you want. Thank you.